Jamaican. I'm Jamaican. You feel me?
Oh, that's my grandma would flirt with you. And you're eating your pum pum? That's not what
Hey boy, suck your mother boy. Big waistman boy. You look like a nerd boy.
I got it for two.
Yo, why you play with my dog?
Where I going, man?
Where you going with, bro? Where you do it?
What you mean?
What I mean, dog. I stream. I play a game, dog.
And you're eating your pum pum?
You find some batty boy. You find some batty boy thing now, my dog. You know that.
Keep your fucking mama down in your blood, keep it right.
Dog, oh yeah, you look so good.
You bitch.
Oh yeah, you look so weird, man. You look like Scotty Pippin. That's how your shit look, nigga, like Scotty Whipping, bro. What that?
What's so easy, man?
Yo, people, how that youth look so that big woman thing? How you look so youth? Sound like a clown, Charlie. I don't even know. Nothing way I talk to you, they come like a clown, my guy. Look at this nigga. You nigga look goofy, bro. What the fuck, nigga? You look goofy, nigga.
Say PC, say.
Shit, this nigga, bro, dog, you need a me. Yo, you want a makeover, dog. You live in the 90s, see me, you know, dog. Don't. Yeah, batty boy, I don't want friend me, you know. Yeah. Oh, Claire, you look so, dog. You look so.
Wait, where you from?
You look so, you. Oh, Claire, dog. Look like a green lizard, dog. Man, nah, lie, you look like a green lizard. Barely. Yeah, you look like a green lizard, man. Let me go on it.
I was like a...
Yeah, bro. Rough by yourself, my G. Nah, like rough.
I'm ugly.
Nigga, just cut the dreads, bro, and shit. Cut off your shit, nigga. You can't get some girl, isn't me? Just bring you to Jamaica and get some of them little fat tickers there, isn't me? Yeah, bro. Isn't me? Yeah, woman massage your body down here and thing. You see, even G. Yeah, man, them look white girl over there, so nah, do you the good, bro.
I'm ugly.
Ask me, charge, I don't know. I don't love niggas, bro. Ask one girl. Ask one girl, bro.
Some greasy man, them go near the fire, them will explode. Them oily. Them greasy. I'm just gonna handle it.
Ask one girl, them here, bro.
Bro, okay, bro.
Yeah, ask one girl, them, man. Yeah, man, big up, bro. Ask one girl, them, bro. Okay, ass nigga. Hey boy, that's a nerd you with about 4 glasses. Hey boy, suck your mother boy. Big waistman boy. You look like a nerd boy. I want some goggles boy, man. Boy, I spliff. I smoke cigarette. You look like you.
Bad boy.
You Trinidad fool boy. Big baboon boy. Your mother's cunt. Your mother's cunt. You big idiot boy. Your mother's cunt boy. You look like with a big idiot glass boy I born with. Why you know? Look like you two can mash a girl good. Better, you're paying rent. You're paying rent, boy. You're paying rent, boy. I'm not paying no rent for the house, boy. What the fuck you have to gyal yard? You have to gyal house. Batty boy. You got to gyal house. By later she throw you out. You bag on your boy. Big baboon boy, eh? Mother's cunt, yeah? Man not smoke cigarette, we smoke spliff, weed. You hear that? Real Jamaican bad man, you hear that boy? You're a fool.
Bullshit, boy.
You're a fool. What do you mean about bullshit? You're a fool, boy. Look like, man.
Alright, boss, alright.
I'm not your boss. You that way, Yo, Skull.
Hello, good morning, my chopper friends. Good morning, my supermarket workers.
Yo, bro. Yo. What's good? Where you come from? Dog? I'm from India. Nah, like, you look like a skull, you know, dog. Nah, like. You look like a skull, like you can take me out of poverty. One skull and another dog. Believe, man.
Brain freeze.
You won't never see me smiling. Why you got a mask on, gang?
This is with mask, dog.
A face mask and that. It ain't even coke. Oh, I gotta spill this
So, no mask that, no time I have on for head. There's no mask that you.
Suck my dick.
Yeah.
Where's my weed at? Where's my weed at? You're not gonna share your weed with me? Shit, my high as a motherfucker. Where you from, by the way, though?
Me too. Huh?
Where you from?
I'm from New York, but I'm in Charlotte.
Shit, I'm from Jamaican, isn't me? I'm Jamaican.
Hmm?
I'm Jamaican. You feel me?
My grandma would flirt with you.
No, I don't want your grandma. You more. I don't want your grandma. No offense, but I want you.
I can't be wanted.
Alright, man, I want you.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn you up. I'm not skipping. I promise to turn you up. Okay, what's your name?
I said I want you though. You feel me?
But I can't be wanted.
What you mean? What's wrong?
Like, I came up here to find friends. Not like a whole bunch of nigga friends.
Pull up on me. Pull up on.
I can't have like.
What do you mean I can't have no? That's crazy. What do you mean I can't have nobody?
What do you mean? What do I mean? When someone says that, I mean they're talking.
So you
to
never,
someone.
you don't talk to no niggas at all. You don't talk to no niggas.
Huh?
You don't talk to no niggas. That's what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
So your shit not be using. That cooch not be gonna be using.
Nah, my coach stay to me. But I mean, fuck with a nigga, then I'll fuck him. Other than that, no, I'm not gonna fuck no nigga off no one, seeing each other, none of that. I don't care how high.
So you just giving that nigga one and move? That's crazy. What Clyde?
Yo, let's have a rap battle.
Yeah, I say.
Let's have a rap battle here, man.
No, I have no rap battle with no yes man. We take this thing for you.
Rap battle?
Can't size up. Think you take boy if you do them thing I would.
Is that Bumbo clad. You think you that boy? Feel that?
Eh?
Huh?
Can't size up with me you. Think you take boy if you do them thing I bro. Eh?
Rasta. I tell you this.
You know Rastaniam
I
pork.
rap battle first.
Rastaniam
and
pork.
I kill whatever else you want next.
Yeah, Rasta too. Can you look like any pork?
Bumbo clad.
Why girl them want hold you?
Bumbo clad.
Yeah man, go on want say what you want say no you would. Look mentally impaired.
You speak Jamaican?
Yo, I don't want to talk to no man. Hey, I don't want to talk to no man, you know. Woman. Yeah, me talk to a girl. You see me? I want to talk to a man.
One.
Brother, I don't want to talk to no man. A woman I want to talk to, bro. I don't move front of the camera. Girl. With her O's. Where the O's at?
Let's get around. Let's get
Where the O's at?
It was funny though, but very disrespectful though. But funny still.
Yo, nigga, them dreads they want to cut you. What that, man? You dog, I'm about a pot of coke in there weed and I'm about to coke that. Coke that.
Tight, yeah.
Matey, what you talking about, man? Suck your mother, boy, man.
Shut up.
Suck your mother. Hard.
Shut up.
Hard, suck your mother again to you. 50 suck your mother too.
You the bitch.
Thump in your mouth, boy. Who you ramp in your mouth? The Jamaican man play around here. Take boy if you thump a boy in your face. Eh? Eh? You can take boy up thump in your face, boy. Put me, hear me I tell you. That's why stupid ass weed now like. Cause that shit. Stupid ass lighter, bro. Stupid ass weed, nigga. Bitch ass nigga smoking coke too. Crazy. Look at that. Fuck that nigga just will get cracked. It's a crack store, bro. Crack store that genuine. Who claiming I fuck your bitch, man? Nah, I ain't fucking your hoe. I don't know what the fuck that goes on. Come on, go to
You just steer the camera up on me, son. Warm to you. Yeah? Yeah.
Yo, bro, where you get a strip light them from? Stripper light them there? Where you have on stripper light, bro?
What?
Where you have on stripper lights on? That's red, nigga.
So?
Yeah, go.
What?
Yeah, go.
What?
Brother, me ask if you go, you don't understand what me say? Lord, you don't understand what me say, you? Yeah, go. You might not work, nigga. You might not work, you might not work, you might not good. You don't say. Yo, LeBron James not go nowhere. LeBron no good. Steph Curry, nigga. Steph Curry. Tear that shit apart, bro. LeBron already. Steph Curry, bro. Steph Curry's the GOAT, nigga. LeBron is not. You got a what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's a Steph Curry I kill you with. LeBron now with nothing, you hear that? You hear that, you would? Him in love, man.
Don't mind what I say, I like him.
You look zesty, dog.
From Jamaica.
Hey, boy, man. Come on, Australia and boom something in your head, hear that? Boom something hard in your head, you would. Crack your cock, hear that, boy. That's a waste, man. Hey, man, you doing you would disrespect me, you would. That me, I tell you, you know. Shut your hard, 598.
I don't think you understand me. Yeah, man.
Hey, boy. Think say Canada colder than Jamaica, you would? Eh? Think you take boy if you live inside, you would?